In the last 5 days we have seen the prices of crude, gold and silver, all three dumping towards the downside incessantly. Especially silver and gold, we have seen a huge dump. What happened, and who caused this dump? And plus my trade update on my crude oil trade as well. So let's get straight to the point. First, discussing about the major dump we have seen 2 days ago over here, as you can see on Monday, on gold and silver as well. So see, first of all, I was saying the same thing again and again and again in my last commodity videos. You can see on my channel I was bearish on gold and silver every single time, and basically I told you all that whenever the price of any asset is near its all-time high, it is very risky to take any sort of trade, whether long or short, because no one knows from where it will dump. But I already predicted that the price of gold and silver will dump towards the downside soon. As you can see, it is pumping in a parabolic manner, because this year 2025, if I open the 12-month time frame over here, then you will understand. This year the price of gold literally pumped 64%, and the volume was also pretty much very high. So this is overbought, and well, the price of gold is overbought as of now, and the next coming years will be a very major bearish for gold and silver, because same is with silver as well. As you can see, this year silver gave 148% ROI, which is obviously not bad, but if you look at it according to price action and technical analysis lens, then obviously this is overbought, way overbought. The volume is also pretty much very high, and I'm expecting a dump in the price of gold and silver. Obviously, see, 2026 or 2027 won't be a year where you will see a huge dump in the prices of gold and silver. That does not mean that we will not see a dump. Yes, for sure, 26, 27 and the next coming years will be, I would say, it will be very hard for gold and silver to pump in the next coming years, because already it is overbought right now, and the bears will again get stimulated. Also right now on gold, as you can see, so what actually happened on Monday? See, the answer is very simple. It got manipulated, and yes, many people will not believe this, but the price of gold and silver does get manipulated. If you think that you are buying gold or silver from the market or from ETF, that will fluctuate the price of gold and silver, so no, it does not work like that. It does not work like stocks, it does not work like crypto. And see, most of the times gold and silver's price get fluctuated based on fundamental news, and yeah, that is for sure, because they are the two of the most valuable commodities in the world. But it gets manipulated as well. There are very big institutions and very big players who manipulate the price of gold and silver, and that's what I can say as of now. As I mentioned in my previous videos, the prices of gold and silver exactly dumped towards the downside. Price of gold dumped approximately 4% towards the downside, along with silver, which dumped approximately 10% towards the downsides. And also, if you look closely, on Friday we have seen a huge bullish candle. You can see huge bullish candle on Friday, and on Monday we have seen a gap up opening, and all the retailers, all the 99% people who got greedy and entered in a long position or bought silver and gold over here after the close of this candle, and on Saturday and Sunday also, well, they all got liquidated. Especially traders got liquidated, and many people who bought gold and silver right now are in approximately minus 10% loss on their portfolios. But again, this is nothing, because the next year, that is 2026, which is tomorrow, starting from tomorrow, I'm still expecting the price of gold and silver to dump. This is nothing right now if you look, because at least I'm expecting the prices of gold and silver, right now it is silver, so from $71.6 I'm expecting the price of silver to dump minimum till 36-40% towards the downside. That is what I am expecting from silver, and same is with gold also, because over here with gold also when the price of gold is at $4,300 right now, I'm expecting it to dump minimum till 23-24%, but again that is just minimum, nothing right now, because we have already seen a huge pump. The prices of gold and silver are in a parabolic manner pumping towards the upside, and to be quite honest, gold and silver are the top two commodities in the world, and they are very scarce and in very high demand. This type of pump only describes that the market right now is just hyped up in greediness, and soon we will see the prices of gold and silver dumping towards the downside. Alright, in the end, talking about crude oil and my trade on crude oil. So over here, I hope you all remember I entered in a long position in crude oil at $55.1 approx. This was my entry price. So well, the price of crude oil started to pump, going in my favor, so I started trailing my stop loss. So basically this is just a risk-free trade for me. Even if this price goes against me, I'll end up in profits only. So yeah, that's just a risk-free trade. My first take profit is over here at $59.72 level, as you can see. But again, recently we have seen a dump in the prices of crude oil as well. On Friday, the price of crude oil dumped from $58 to $56. So I'm still holding on to my trade, and I am not selling my long position trade, closing my long position trade, or booking any sort of profits right now. And as I said, even if this trade goes against me, I'll end up in profits only. So it is a risk-free trade, so better to just hold on to this trade. And yeah, that's pretty much it for now. I'm just waiting for the price to show some moves. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. The price of crude oil, gold and silver saw a dump approximately on Friday and on this week's Monday. To be quite honest, the dump in gold and silver does not excites me or does not surprises me, because that has to happen. I was already mentioning that in my videos, in my past videos. And crude oil also, right now my trade is still in favor of me, and obviously I will not close it. I'm just holding on to my profits. Let's see how far this trade will go, and I will obviously make a video and announce it to you guys as well. Once again, my stance on commodity crude oil, gold and silver are still the same, whether it is 2025 or 2026, and I'm still expecting a dump in the prices of gold and silver in the coming future, and a pump in crude oil as well. If you want to know why I'm expecting a pump in the price of crude oil and why I took that long position trade, then do watch my previous commodity videos. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.